The psychologist asked me a couple of questions. She just listened to me, and then she told me, "Sha, read the book aloud for 10 minutes every single day." In other words, she did not really find anything wrong with me mentally. She just said, "Sha, read the book aloud for 10 minutes every single day." Now, anybody could tell me this. My friend could tell me this, but it won't have bearing, right? So the reason I decided to heed the call was because I paid for that advice. I had skin in the game. Kung libre ko lang siya nakuha, baka naman di totoo. But because I had skin in the game, and it was an expert who told me, I decided to heed the call. So the reason why this is very effective is because a lot of times we're scared of speaking in front of other people, especially when we had to talk using the English language. Yes, di ba? Why? Because we're so conscious. What if I mispronounce the word? What if I have wrong grammar? We're so conscious. So, when you read the book aloud, especially an English book aloud, every single day for 10 minutes a day, you can hear yourself talk.